In this video, you are going to learn about the various types of hackers. People think hackers are negative people in the online world. But we all know there's more to the story. There are good and bad guys in the real world, with different shades of their personality. The types of hackers vary by their agenda, methodologies and skill practice. In this video, I'll introduce the well-known and lesser-known types of hackers. You should definitely know about these. This will help you to understand what kind of protection you require for your system and who are the faceless criminals targeting your personal or business information. Before you become proactive for your safety, it is essential to understand what you are facing or fighting. So, now let's get into the types of hackers. First one we are going to discuss about is the white hat hacker. A white hat hacker is a computer network security professional and has non-malicious intent whenever he breaks into security systems. A white hat hacker has deep knowledge in computer networking, network protocols and system administration, at least 3 or 4 operating systems, and very good skills in scripting and programming. White hat hacker has also good knowledge in hacking tools and know how to program hacking tools. A white hat hacker has the skills to break into networks, but he uses his skills to protect organizations. A white hat hacker can conduct vulnerability assessments and penetration tests, are also known as an ethical hacker. Often, white hat hackers are employed by companies and organizations to check the vulnerabilities of their network and make sure that no hole is available in their network for an intruder. Simply stated, these are the right people who are on your side. They will hack into your system with the good intention of finding vulnerabilities and help you remove virus and malware from your system. Now, second one is the black hat hacker. A black hat hacker, also known as a cracker, is a computer professional with deep knowledge in computer networking, network protocols and system administration, at least 3 or 4 operating systems, and very good skills in scripting and programming. Black hat hacker has also good knowledge in many hacking tools and know how to program hacking tools. A black hat hacker uses his skills for unethical reasons. A black hat hacker always has malicious intention for intruding a network. Example: to steal research data from a company, to steal money from credit cards, hack email accounts, etc. Heard a news about a new cybercrime today? One of the black hat hackers may be behind it. While their agenda may be monetary, most of the time, it's not always just that. These hackers look for vulnerabilities in individual computers, organizations and bank systems. Using any loopholes, they may hack into your network and get access to your personal, business and financial information. Third one is the grey hat hacker. A grey hat hacker is someone who is between white hat hacker and black hat hacker. Grey hat normally do the hacking without the permissions from the administrators of the network he is hacking. But he will expose the network vulnerabilities to the network admins and offer a fix for the vulnerability for money. Let me make it simple for you. Many people see the world of IT security as a black and white world. However, grey hat hacking does play a role in the security environment. One of the most common examples given of a grey hat hacker is someone who exploits a security vulnerability in order to spread public awareness that the vulnerability exists. In this case, experts might say that the difference between a white hat hacker and a grey hat hacker is that the grey hat hacker exploits the vulnerability publicly, which allows other black hat hackers to take advantage of it. By contrast, a white hat hacker may do it privately in order to alert the company without making the results public. So, these were the most commonly known and referred hackers. But there's more. Let's learn a little more about the other types of hackers. Now, coming to the script kiddies. A derogatory term, often used by amateur hackers, who don't care much about the coding skills. These hackers usually download tools, or use available hacking codes, written by other developers and hackers. Their primary purpose is, often, to impress their friends or gain attention. However, they don't care about learning. By using off-the-shelf codes and tools, these hackers may launch some attacks, without bothering for the quality of the attack. Most common cyber attacks by script kiddies might include do's and those attacks. Now, let's discuss about the green hat hacker. These hackers are the amateurs in the online world of hacking. Consider them script kiddies, but with a difference. These newbies have a desire to become full-blown hackers and are very curious to learn. You may find them engrossed in the hacking communities, bombarding their fellow hackers with questions. You can identify them by their spark to grow and learn more about the hacking trade. Once you answer a single question, the hackers will listen with undivided attention and ask another question until you answer all their queries. Now, coming to the blue hat hacker. A blue hat hacker is someone outside computer security consulting firms who is used to bug test a system prior to its launch, looking for exploits so they can be closed. Microsoft also uses the term blue hat to represent a series of security briefing events. Now, the red hat hacker. The red hat hackers have an agenda similar to white hat hackers, which in simple words is to halting the acts of black hat hackers. However, there is a major difference in the way they operate. They are ruthless when it comes to dealing with black hat hackers. Instead of reporting a malicious attack, they believe in taking down the black hat hacker completely. Red hat hacker will launch a series of aggressive cyber attacks and malware on a hacker that the hacker may as well have to replace the whole system. Now, let's discuss about very famous type is the hacktivist. If you've ever come across social activists propagandizing a social, political or religious agenda, then you might as well meet Hacktivist, the online version of an activist. Hacktivist is a hacker, or a group of anonymous hackers, who think they can bring about social changes and often hack government and organizations to gain attention or share their displeasure over opposing their line of thought. Next one is the whistleblower. A malicious insider or a whistleblower may be an employee with a grudge, or a strategic employee compromised or hired by rivals to garner trade secrets of their opponents to stay on top of their game. These hackers may take privilege from their easy access to information and their role within the company to hack the system. And final one is the suicide hacker. Suicide hackers are those who hack for some purpose and even don't bother to suffer long-term jail due to their activities. They can be bad as well as good.